With this session, we are going to discuss about symbols in chemical equation. There are some symbols which you see in many chemical equations. Now we discuss about what is the mean of such kind of symbols. Like you can see in this table, like this arrow, a horizontal arrow. This shows the indicates of in which direction the products form, the results of any reaction. If such kind of arrow you see in upper direction, so that upper direction arrow shows that whatever the product is formed is released in the form of gas, means the product is formed in the gaseous form. If such kind of arrow you show in the below direction, it means the product is just formed during reaction. It's formed in the form of precipitate, a undissolved solid residue. It's like a alternate of solid. Now, if that kind of arrow you see in both of direction, it's a simple representation of reversible reaction. Means in this reaction, that reactant can convert into product and the product also can convert into reactant. Now, if you see a small bracket, the small s is mentioned, it shows at the reactant side also you can see this kind of symbol and the product side also. So here the symbol shows the solid state of reactant and product also. And if you see the small n in the small bracket, it means that reactant and the product is in liquid state. And if the same, if you see the small g, small bracket at the subscript after of the any reactant and the product, so it shows the gaseous state of reactant and the product. And the AQ is represent the aqueous state of reactant and the product. Aqueous state means that dissolves in water. And if you see a triangle upon the arrow which shows that complete a result of reaction, this triangle shows the reactants need heat. Means we heated the reactant, then it's allowed to get convert into product. So these are the some symbols you can see in many reactions which have some mean. Like this arrow shows the result of reactions, upper side it shows the gaseous product, lower side shows the precipitate product, both sides shows the reversible reaction, S shows the solid state, L shows the liquid state, G shows the gaseous state, and AQ shows the aqueous state. And the triangle shows that reactant needs heat. So these symbols are simple representation of some kind of the identity, which shows a particular representation of any chemical equation. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session.